viewers and my subscribers. Welcome back to another video. How you doing? How is your day going so far? I hope everything is okay. God is good, and remember to give God thanks in whatever you are doing and big up God. And to my subscribers and my viewers, welcome to another video. All right, over here now I'm going to make some juice. So as you can see, I have a apple. I have some carrots already, but I already scraped, and I have a piece of beetroot. All right. So, and I have my blender here already, my water over here, and my strainer here to strain it off. Okay. So I'm going to cut it and let you see. And as I say, I scrape it like this, just like this, and then I wash. All right, so this already scraped and already washed. All right, so watch the process. I'm going to cut them up now. All right, so there I goes, guys. This is my beetroot. I'm not going to use all of the beetroot. I'm just going to use a piece. All right, so I'm going to put away this one. All right, over here, I'm going to cut my carrots. I'm just making some drinks, no sugar. And you can put ginger in it. All right, so everything clean, wash, and ready to blend. All right, and I must say, appreciate everything that you do for me, my subscribers and my viewers. Appreciate and I thank you. All right, so I cut out like this, but I blend it with the skin. Just cut out the inside. All right, guys, so everything is washed and everything going. All right, all right, guys, so this is what I'm going to blend. And over here I have my water, so I'm going to put my water in. You talking to me? Okay, I'm going to blend now. So I'm not going to put all of it in, just a small amount and some more water. Put it too close here. Need to pull it from here. All right, guys. So I'm going to put the rest of it in it. And as I say, you can put a piece of ginger in it. Guys, I find a piece of ginger. So I'm just going to drop it here. Okay. I have my strainer here waiting. So I am finished now, guys. So I'm going to strain it in this one and put this one. This is a final one, and put this one at the bottom. Let me strain off. The water is here. Okay. Oops, it's dropped. It doesn't matter. All right, guys. So I may just get one glass. You do it like this. And if you have a bigger strainer, you can put it in. Depends on the amount that you use, okay? All right. And I must say thanks again to my subscribers and my viewers, all those who make a comment. Thank you very much. Also, I have a breadfruit in this stove. I didn't show you while I was baking the breadfruit, but I'm going to peel it and let you see. Okay? All right, so that's it. And you can throw more water on this and wash it out. So I'm not going to put any sugar in it. So guys, this is what I get. I don't know if I'm going to get 2 glass, but this is what I'm going to get. I may not get 2 glass, but that's okay. All right. So guys, this is my beetroot, my carrot, and my apple with ginger in it. All right. I don't have to put no sugar in it because it tastes so good. You can put sugar in it if you want, if you're a sugar person, but I am going to drink it just as it is. Okay, guys? All right, I'm going to peel my breadfruit and let you see how I peel it. Okay? This is my breadfruit, guys. I bake it in the oven. So I'm going to peel it. Let you see. You can cut it in half and peel. I'm going to peel it like this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to cut it in half. It's very hot. And I'm going to fry this one. See, it's very hot. I can see the heat coming. So instead of peeling it all around, I'm just gonna cut it in another half because I'm going to fry it. And I'm showing you. It's very hot, guys. Very hot. So tender. Look how I'm doing it now. I'm just gonna cut it like this. Almost right. Turn it like this. This is a new style. You can just take off the back. You can see? You can just take it off like this. It's very hot, guys. So pretty. Also, you can do it like this. You don't have to go the regular style, guys. You can just do it like this. Like this. Like this. Turn it like this. Oh, it's hot. See what I do? Use a smaller knife. Look at this. So beautiful. Let me do the other piece. It like this. Look at it, guys. So beautiful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut. It is so hot, guys. I have to do like this. So another day now, I'm going to put it in the fridge. So for another day, I'm going to fry it. Okay, guys? Do like this. So soft. You can get piece. Yes, you can come over for piece of the breadfruit. All right, guys? Yeah, I'm just showing you. So this is the sliced one. So I'm going to freeze it when it's cool. And this is the piece that is not cut up. All right. So I'm just showing you my talent, what I can do from what I cannot do. So this is my roast breadfruit. I put it in the oven. It is not like in Jamaica we make the wood fire and put it out and roast it on there on the oven on the stove, the outside stove. But we have to make use of it. So guys, look at it. It's so beautiful. All right. So I'm going to put it in my, after it cool, I'm going to put it in the fridge and then I can take out a slice, warm it again, or you want to fry, you fry it. Okay. So next time around, I'm going to show you my dish, my aki, my national dish, my aki and my saltfish with roast breadfruit fried or just like this. All right then guys. Sorry that you're not around to get some of my roast breadfruit. Okay guys, take care of yourself. Continue to watch my videos. Love up yourself. God is the greatest in everything. God is the greatest and I give God thanks that I can show you what I can do, my talent. I can do this and I can do more. And I'm working on it, guys. Bless up yourself. Bye bye. If you want a piece of my breadfruit, you can just come over. Guys, put it in the comment. What can I put with it? What would you like me to put with the roast breadfruit? Or what would you put with the roast breadfruit? Just make it in a comment and let me know. All right, all these nice breadfruit. All right, put it in the comment. Do you eat breadfruit? Do you know about breadfruit? Do you like roast breadfruit or do you like the cooked one? Okay, tell me what I should put with this roast breadfruit. All right, then bye bye. You take care, guys. Love you. See you in the next video.